Hello fellows, and we have the nailer Makita DFN350 and the striker is wobbling, it's not firing good, so definitely we need to check what's wrong with it. I will start from opening the top cover. What can you see here? We can see that the striker moves just backward and forward. Okay, nails. Of course I can try to bend it and take it out. Maybe, yeah, maybe I will do that. Okay, I'll pull this out, and what can we see? We can see that the nailer even not holds here in place. I have the pin for it, and okay, we'll remove it. Of course, can see the dirt here. It not looks to be broken, so basically maybe it has fallen out from here. I will try to clean it and put everything back. Okay, I have just made some fast cleaning here, and okay, looks nice here. So just try to get it back. Okay, the pin is in. Now I will put the core. Just tighten in those screws. It looks nice here, so we'll insert the plate back. Have some dirt here, we'll clean it. Made our all clean with a brake cleaner. Okay, the screws are back. Now I need a battery. Don't know if it's charged or not. The light comes up, so it's simple to charge. It strikes. I will put the nails the customer gave me. Closing it, and now I need some wood here. Okay, got some wood. Nice. Try to do that. Okay, it goes all the way up and down, and I don't find that this one's just not getting forward itself. but it definitely can strike. Now I have the nice pad for my wife and the working tool. Thank you for watching and waiting you in the comment sections. Bye.